Hi there, my name is Mohit Soni and I am currently working as Android team lead in the Intellify Worldwide Private Limited. I have total 5 years of development experience and I have been involved with the Intellify from past 2 years. And as an Android team lead, my roles include developing the complex apps that comes in the Intellify and managing the projects, assigning projects to the team, doing code review and deciding timeline. As an Android developer in the Intellify, we have created many Android applications which includes some e-commerce applications with AR features, some food delivery apps and IoT level of apps and measuring apps and many more enterprise level apps. So if you are planning to pursue your career in Android development and if you are confused that whether it's the right choice or not, then as a 5 years experience in Android development, I can easily say that it's an ever-growing field, especially if you are planning to be a native development, that is by using Kotlin or Java as a language using Android Studio. So from the past few years, and Google has been promoting Kotlin as its official language. So yes, if you are planning to pursue your career in Android, you should be learning Kotlin. And if you are confused between whether Android has a future or not as compared to other platforms like iOS or cross-platform, so I can tell it from my experience that a native Android development is not going to be eliminated in the next coming years, as the community of Android is ever growing and the power of native cannot be compared to any other platform. And if we compare it to iOS development, then yes, the Android developers are more than iOS developers, and also the demand is also more because more apps are being built in Android. If we talk about being an Android developer in the Intellify, so what you can expect from being a part of it. So first, as an Android developer, I can surely say that you are going to get many challenges as a developer and you will get a chance to directly work on those challenges. Unlike other companies which will focus first on giving you the bugs or giving you for code reviews, but here in Intellify we prefer that you can learn by working on the project directly. So first of all, this is a very major advantage of being a part of Intellify. Secondly, if you become a part of Intellify as an Android developer, you can learn the latest technologies that are currently in the market, like AR. So as I mentioned earlier, we had created some AR apps in Android, so you can of course get a chance to work on those. And if I talk about the level of projects that we get here, so most of the times we get enterprise level projects that go for more than 3 months and can even last for up to 2 years. So you will be directly developing a product from the starting, and you will be uploading that product on the Play Store, which the chance most of the users don't get. Besides learning, the main advantages of being a part of the Intellify is that you can have fun working here. We have weekly activities, quarterly lunch, and we go for outings and whatnot. So I can easily say that working here is so involving, and the team building activities that we do here and the place that we have here. So everything is aimed towards increasing the bond between each and every employee, and that really helps the employees to mix with each other. So if you are planning to start your career or you are in the midway of your career, I think the Intellify is a very good choice because it has a lot to offer based on your experience and on your skills. So if Intellify welcomes beginners and gives them proper training, and if you are intermediate, Intellify has many options of projects on which you can work and you can enhance your skills. So as an Android team lead, I welcome you to the team Intellify if you want to be a part of it, and you can get a good guidance over many experienced developers. And if you want to join the Intellify team, feel free to contact the HR. Thank you.